Hi, I'm Spencer, an expert builder at Neologic, and today I'll be explaining the ins and outs of the view-only table. Let's get started. The view-only table lets you display data in a structured, read-only format. It's great for reviewing large amounts of information while keeping the layout clean and easy to navigate. To install it, access the modal you want the element added to by clicking Access Element Studio. In the studio, click Add New Block, search for View Only Table, and click to add it. Right-click and press Edit to configure it. In here, we will need to connect it to a data document name, then select the search query, and then for the columns, we need to select the action type. This is the type of data that will be displayed, and then the expected data field, which is the actual data that will be presented to the user. That's the end of our quick tutorial on the view-only table element. You can check out our other documentation videos, or reach out to the team and me with any recommendations for future help articles to help speed up your workflow.